Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you subquery usage in SQL statements. In MySQL, we'll support subquery. What is subquery? Subquery we are calling here in simple words. Like a SQL statement will prepare some like a SQL, like a select statement, it would be select star from table name, that is customers. Name of the table is the customers. And here, what the subquery will do, where some clause here and condition, with to satisfy with these condition, again we are writing one more query. Select star from orders. Okay, you got it. And this subquery will ends here, like a inner query, subquery, inner query, or like how we have written in inner loops. We'll call it as a loop inside the loop. Similarly, query inside the query, we can call it as inner query, subquery. These are the words we can use it. Right? We'll write the main SQL statement query, whereas to satisfy the condition, we'll prepare one more condition of the one more SQL statement. That is called subquery or inner query. How it is? The real time, I'll show you one good example for this. By preparing, I'll take some the table information out of the north wind. Orders details we will take it. Order details table we will take it. Let's check it. That subquery. First, I would like to show you what is order details. Select star from or order details. Terminate. Go here and see what it is. Yep. This is the order details. Simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are available here. Order ID, product ID, unit price, quantity, and discount. Right? In simple terms, what we will do here, open the query box. And now see here, my requirement is here. Like what I am going to do, the average price, like an average price is there, no? Like a unit price. The unit price average, we will mix it. How? The unit price above the average, if it is, we'll get as an output. Otherwise, we'll ignore the like a main what is the above average is in a top, and what is the below average will show in the least priority, like ascending order and descending order by specifying all the some of the clauses will apply. Not only the inner query we are going to preparing here, and using by adding order by and like order by with the column with the condition of ascending order or descending order also we can check it how it is by applying this, and the method of average also we are going to use here. Now let's see, select from the select order details. What I will take it here, order ID and product ID. Now see here, order ID and product ID I am going to take here. Now, instead of select, you take it order underscore ID comma product underscore ID, right? From order details. Right. Here by writing where clause, where what I want to know, unit price, okay, unit price greater than C. Now here I am writing one more condition, that is select AVG, the average of unit underscore price. It's not dash, it's not underscore price. Unit underscore price from which table? The same table only. The details here. Okay, I am getting the by filtering the rows, which is the unit price above average. I am getting the average, the unit price value, and average. I am getting the average from the unit price, and if the unit price is above, then the order it should be displayed from the order details. Now see here with this I'm making here like order details. Once if it is completed successfully this query, and close here, and here you have to write order by unique underscore price, the same column I am using. And ASC means ascending order, it will comes. Then ascending order means go here, run the query and go and check it. It's loading. Now see, order ID this is and the product ID this is. This is the items what we have taken in the query, the two things we have taken. And what is the unit price? Where unit price above, once the average is coming, that average products along with the ID, product ID, like order ID and product ID, it is displaying based on this condition. Okay, and it is an ascending order. In the reverse case, by simply making it as an DESC, descending order. Check it here. Let's go here, run the statement, check it. Now it's a lower value. Alright. Similarly, the SQL statement first execute the inner query. All you have to strongly remember, the SQL statement first it will execute the inner query statement. Based on the result set which is appearing there, the outside query, that is the outer query, also we can say that query will execute, and based on the inner query, the condition which we have specified after the where class will be satisfied. If it is satisfied, it will be make it as a result set row. Otherwise, it will be ignores the data. Okay. Now see, first query, inner query, it will execute the inner query, and second executes the outer query to returns the required result set properly. Very simple. And one more demonstration I would like to show you from this same subquery in a manner. For the exercise purpose also I can give you, whereas we'll see here. I'll same thing and make it as a comment. And now see here, my requirement is the unit price is from products. You have seen this, like a unit price from products, like order details, which we have a get it now. And now what my requirement is, second highest unit price from these order details. Second highest unit price. What is the second highest unit price? I want to get it. How it is? Like my query statement here, I am written how to get second highest unit, the column you know that. See, the second highest unit price. This is the unit price column. Okay, and the same column name also unit underscore price only. Unit price from order underscore details. Order underscore details. How it is? I'll show you how it is. Okay. Same thing. Select will begins from, and what is the column which is mentioned over there? It is unit underscore price. Unit underscore price. Here simply what I'm mentioning here, max, min, string functions we have seen. What is max will do, what is min will do. Check it on string functions of our previous lecture once again if you are not go through this video. Okay, now see here, max value, out of the max value I'm getting from the unit price here. And now what is the table name from where I'm getting here? Order details. Fine. Now what I want to do now here, where select max unit price from order details. There, what is my condition is unit underscore price. Yes, unit underscore price is less than, again one inner query will start here. Select max of, where is the max? Yes, unit underscore price. Okay, unit underscore price. From where? Order details. That's it. Now what it will do? Let's go here and execute. See, 210.80001 we got it as an output. Why we got it? And also you can check it max price also. Simply you run this query. Select star from like a max from unit price. No, yes. Just run this query. I highlight this query and go. You'll get 210.8 something. 210.80003 is a max value. Now run this 210.8000000. Go here. Yes. See something. So the same thing I hope it is a second value also same thing it is coming. I hopefully it is a maybe the second and first one the same thing it may happen the same value will be returned. 210. Now this is the max unit price. 263 is the max unit price. Earlier time it is not executed properly. Now the query is executed successfully. See here, from the second value from this it is 210, and below that the max unit price from order details which is came here, like see 200 and see here this one 263. Similarly the second value, third value, and all the like a second salary, first salary, you want to have an interview questions like this. By practicing this is an inner query, and here it is an used max function also, the method of max, and order by also we have used in here this above description, the query statement. How beauty we are writing subqueries. Very simple example to who or the beginner at a SQL level, he needs to understand with the simple steps. So I am using a very simple example only. By adding more columns and more tables and joins, you can use it by using and applying these subqueries as well. Hopefully you got a good idea and understand about this subquery. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.